you how to properly lubing a switch. First, of course, you need your switches, switch opener, the lube brush, and first is to open up the switch opener. In this case, we'll be using this side. Okay, put it on, give it a light press, it's open. Okay, first, if your switch comes pre-lubed and you want to remove all of the lube, so just take a brush and just clean all of that lubed oil real quick. Just clean all of them really quickly. Having one of these will be more convenient. So just clean up all of the excess lube. And now, after our switch have been properly cleaned up, so now we're going to lube them. So take this, just take a dip into your lubed oil and just take a little bit like these. Then give it a light brush on two sides like this, and finally just give it a circle around the edges. If your lubed is a tactile switch, I would probably say carefully with lubing this part of it, because if you lubing it, you will might lose your bumping of the tactile switches. Okay, now after that, for the spring, in my case, I'm just gonna leave it there. And if you want, you can put some lube and just shake them with the other springs. We are going to lube the stem. So lube, slightly brush on both sides of the stem. Like yep, like that. Put the stem on, and for the top housing, I am gonna put a little bit on both sides like this, and yep, make sure that you have it the right way or else your switch will be broken. And there, this is how you would properly lubing a switch.